Okay, so I'm coming back with the orange using the harder red, the darker red. Let's just put this here. You can see the difference between that and the magenta for mixing. I'm just going to use the yellow that's already here, same yellow, to show you that the difference is in the red and not the yellow. So it might not be that much of a difference with the orange, since orange is a warm color. Let's get that yellow that's not mixed in with the orange already. The red may not make as much of a difference as it would with the purple. So let's see what this will look like. I'm gonna already need some more yellow. I'm gonna squeeze some more out of the tube because I don't want to use that's been tainted with the orange, so that I can show you the true demonstration. It's already a little more on the red side. That's probably a little bit too much yellow. Maybe not. So with your orange, it's not that much of a difference because orange is a warm color, red is a warm color, yellow is a warm color. So whether you use the magenta or the red for the orange, now you can tell that's a little bit more red, but that could be because I didn't use the same amount of yellow. So I could add some more yellow. But whether you use the magenta or the red for the mixing of the orange, it's not going to make that much of a difference. But I do believe I'm adding a little bit more yellow to this than I was with the magenta. But as you can see, that's pretty much identical. So the red is not going to make that much difference with the orange, but if you want a purer purple or a purer violet, you probably want to use that magenta because that red is going to harden it and darken it. So there's your color mixing 101 with acrylic paints. Please make sure you clean your brushes thoroughly with water. If you get paint in the base of the brush that's not coming out, you could use soap and water. You can use dish soap, dish liquid, or they make special brush cleaners in the art store. But you want to make sure that you clean it thoroughly, get all the paint out. If you use a soap to get the rest of the paint residue out, you want to make sure you rinse that out thoroughly with the brush. If you leave paint in the brush and it dries, that brush is ruined. You're going to have to throw it away. Acrylic paint will dry. It's got a latex base, a plastic polymer base. It's going to dry and it's permanent. So your brush is ruined if you leave the paint in the brush. You want to get it out thoroughly. Make sure you rinse out the soap thoroughly if you use soap, and dry it thoroughly. And you want to store your brushes brush side up. I hope that helps, and I hope you have a great day. Thank you. Bye-bye.